We've talked about the showing the lines indicating the roof slopes, or where the roof slopes meet, like this here. Some people have been using detail lines, but with the detail line, it shows up fine on your roof plan, but when you look at it in 3D, you'll see that it doesn't show up at all. So what you need to do if you want to see those lines show up in your 3D view, you need to use model lines. But we've run into a bit of an issue with that, and that is a model line is a physical line that you would see in whatever view is looking at it. But model lines, when they're created, if you look at the architecture ribbon under model, you see model line. If you look at the properties, there's nothing here that says that the line can be offset upwards or above the level. So current work plane is level top of steel. So if I try to draw in a line, you see it doesn't show up. And it doesn't show up because it is being modeled on the top of steel level. But on top of that is all the roofing. So what you need to do is you need to, let me hit escape here a couple times, is back in the architecture ribbon, the far right, you see work plane panel. If you select set, you can define a specific work plane, such as the top surface of the roofing material. So if I select pick a plane, and then I click OK, I can then click on the roof. I've now set the work plane to that. And now when I go to draw the model line, it stays visible. So what you can do is, if you've already used detail lines, when you go into the model line command, you could, under your draw options, pick line, and you can just pick your existing lines, detail lines, and they will turn into, or a new model line to be modeled on top of it. Just take a look at that in 3D. See, now it shows up.